Well, hi everybody, it's Wayne Robinson, advisor at Barber Financial with your cybersecurity tip for Cyber Monday. So the tip for Cyber Monday is number one, I certainly hope everybody gets an amazing deal. But if you are shopping and looking for that amazing deal and you find it, please do not be tempted to buy on public Wi-Fi. That is a big red flag, as it is easy for a man-in-the-middle attack where somebody can intercept your information, your credit card information, and then obviously use it for malicious intent. So my advice to everybody is, if you are going to shop, and I certainly hope everybody does, and you get a good deal, do it on your own private Wi-Fi or on a very well trusted, protected Wi-Fi source. So I appreciate you taking time to listen and learn. We do a workshop that covers a 7-step protocol. If you follow all 7 steps, you'll reduce your cybersecurity risk by at least 85%. So I encourage everybody, if this is something that interests you and you're concerned, please feel free to come. And if you like this content and you find it helpful, please like us and subscribe. And we certainly look forward to seeing you at the next one.